subscribe and press the bell button. Good morning, student. We learn see the pictures and write its name. First picture is cap, second picture is net, third picture is leg, fourth picture is sun, and fifth hat, and sixth tent. Now we learn its spelling. And first of all, first picture is spelling. What is this? Cap. C-A-P, cap. Next picture is net. Spelling is N-E-T, net. And third picture is leg. Spelling is L-E-G, leg. Fourth picture is sun. Spelling is S-U-N, sun. And fifth picture is hat. This spelling is H-A-T, hat. And sixth picture is ten. Spelling is T-E-N, ten. And dear student, you have to learn and do practice your home.